Hello guys, welcome to another jQuery video tutorial. In this video we will learn how to use or how to create the tabs using the jQuery UI. Okay, so the first thing I want you guys to do is you have to load a new file which is called the jQuery.cookie.js, which is in your jQuery /development bundle /external /jQuery. Okay, so include this line of code, all this, into your head, okay, between your head tags, just right after the loading custom.js. Okay, so you will need that to use an event that we will see in this example. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that a lot of you guys know what the tabs are. If you don't know, I'm going to show you here. Okay, these are tabs. Okay, so we have different sections, pretty much as we saw in the last video in the accordion, but they are at the top, okay, and when we click we display whatever content they have, okay, without reloading the page, of course. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Okay, the first thing we have to do is go into, let's go to the body section here, okay, and let's create a div. Let's call this div ID. Let's call it tabs. Let's close this. Now between the tabs we create an ordered list, and here we create li, close li, and let me copy this and paste it and paste. And here we have to create a href equals to about, and let's close anchor and let's type about. We can copy this now, copy and paste it here, 1 and 2. Now here we can type contact, and here we can type home page or home. Of course you have to change these as well, contact or contact, and in here home. Okay, now after the unordered list we have to create some more divs. We will create each div for each different li. Okay, so one div for about, to have content in the about page, one for the contact, and another for the home. Okay, so div ID about, okay, the same as we have here, and here we can type b and welcome to my about page, and close div. Now let me copy this, copy, paste it here and paste it here, and of course we have to change this to, this is contact, this is home, welcome to my contact page, and welcome to my home page. Okay, let's save this, and let's open this in Google Chrome. And there it is. This is now our contact, or our content for now. So to create the tabs, we just have to simply do this. Let's type document ready as always, parenthesis, function, parenthesis, curly braces, and in here we simply type tabs dot tabs, save this, refresh, and there it is. Okay, simple as that. Okay guys, and of course we have these colors. You always remember that you always can change this using CSS, okay, the colors, if you don't like these colors, the font type or whatever. You can also go to the jQuery UI and search for themes they have there. They have a lot of themes that you can use. Basically, they are CSS files that you can download, and but they have all the colors and the demos there for you to see. Okay, so now what we will do is in here, inside Ajax parenthesis, I'm gonna type the curly braces. And what we will do now is I'm going to try to load into another section in here. So I'm going to create a new section. And this section is going to be called new.php. And in here what I'm going to do is let's call this the PHP file, close anchor tag and close the li. Okay, I'm gonna load into one of the sections a PHP file or the content of a PHP file. Okay, of course, now to do this, to load a PHP file into one of the contents, we will use the XAMPP and load Apache, okay, virtual server. Okay, so do that, otherwise it will not work. Okay, so let me see, let's go in here, refresh, and there it is. We have a PHP here with no with nothing on it. Okay, what we can do here is by default create, if there's something wrong with the connection, create a default error message. Okay, so the user will understand what's going on. So to do that, what we do here is Ajax options and colon, and now we type curly braces again, and in here we type error, colon, function, and now we type xhr, index, comma, status, and anchor. Okay, and these, you have to put all these parameters in here. These are parameters that you can use to control the Ajax call that you are doing to the PHP file. And you can also go to the jQuery.com and you can search there about all these parameters, what you can do with them. For now, I'm going to use only the anchor. Okay, so I'm going to do here is to call all anchor.hash dot text, and here I'm going to type the message, the error message. So I'm going to type could not connect to server or something like that. Okay. So that's basically it. Let me save this and let's refresh. So supposedly, there it is. Could not connect to server. Perfect. Supposedly when I click in PHP, we should load whatever is returned by the new.php file. But we don't have any PHP or any new.php file yet. Okay, so let's create that file. So PHP, and in here, let's type echo file ready. Okay, and in here, let me save this. So we will save this in the same folder where we have the example.php, our file. In here, let's type, what was the name of it? New.php, yeah. New.php, perfect. File ready. And if we return and refresh, go to PHP, could not connect to server. Oh, of course. We have to go, the path is localhost. We are using the XAMPP. So localhost YouTube example.html. And now if we click PHP, file ready. Perfect. Okay. So whatever is returned by a PHP file, you can put or load it into one of these sections, whatever section you want. Okay. It's up to you. Perfect. So another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a CSS to put this a little bit more. It's too big. So I'm going to increase the size of the letters and all that. So in here, I'm going to type style. And this is tabs. I'm going to put here font size 12 pixels and the width 200 pixels. Save that and let's go back, refresh, and there it is. Okay. This is too big. This is too large. Let me change that. No, of course. Colon. Let me see now. And there it is. Oops, too short. 300 pixels. Save. Refresh. And that's better. Okay, so pretty cool feature that we have. Now I'm going to show you to do another cool feature, which is instead of clicking to change the sections between sections, just to mouse over each and every different section, we will go there. Okay, we don't need to click the section to see the contents. So to do that, it's pretty simple. You just have to go in here. So we have this closing, and this closing. Yeah, that's it. So in here we type comma, event, and mouse over. And of course we have to put this between quotes. Okay, and just save that go back, refresh, and if oops, it's not working. It's not working, so we have a problem. Let me check. Of course, it's not mouse rover, it's mouse over. Okay, let's save this. Let's return, refresh, and there it is. Perfect. Okay. You can mouse over it without clicking, and you will see each different section. Okay, guys? Cool feature as well. So another feature is also how we can grab different section and change it or sorting the order of the sections. Okay. You'll see it's pretty cool. I'm gonna type here mouse over, and let's take the mouse over out. And here I'm gonna type, you have to type, let me see, and after this curly brace, sorry, after, let me see, where it is. Okay, after all this, you type dot, and you type here find, and here single quotes dot UI tabs nav and dot sortable parenthesis curly braces axis, and here you type X. Okay, let's save that, and hopefully this will work. Refresh, and there it is. Okay, perfect. Pretty cool, as you can see, and the contents are correctly okay for each different section. So this is a pretty cool feature, a very advanced feature you can use in your web page between your sections. Okay, guys. So another thing you can use is the cookie function. The cookie function, what it does basically is just imagine that I go into your web page, you have this widget, and I click about and read, and then go out of the page. When I return back, and if you see, if I refresh, oops, if I click here home and now I refresh, it returns to the about. Okay, I don't want that to happen. I want to be return again into the home whenever I refresh the page. Okay, so if I click home and I go out of your website, when I return back, I want to have the home open. Okay, the home section. So to do that, we have to create a cookie. Okay, and to create a cookie, basically what we have to do is in here we type comma and cookie and colon, curly braces, and here we type expires colon 2 1 3. This means days. Okay, so a cookie will stay on for 1 day, and in that day, whenever I go out and come back to the page, I will be returned into I will see the section open that I left open in that day. Okay, in the same day. Of course, in the next day the cookie is out, so we will return to the default, which is about. Okay. but you can put as many days as you want in here. Okay, so let's save this one day. Okay, so hopefully this will work. Let's refresh. We'll go to the About section. No, we are in Home because we already activated. So let me see. If I click Contact and I refresh now, we should go to the About, but we have the cookie on, so the Contact is the one that is going to be open after refreshing. Let me see, and there it is. Perfect. If I go to PHP and I refresh, I turn back, and PHP is open. Okay, this will last for 24 hours. Okay, guys. So that's pretty much it with tabs, and hope you guys like this. I think it's a pretty cool feature to separate your sections, some sections in your web page, okay, or your blog or whatever. So this is it for now for tabs, and see you guys in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.